Okay, before I go on, I just want to welcome you all tonight here to Pure Energy one more time. And I know that some of you noticed that in my hand I have this thing that was plugged in, and that's because I know many have been getting sick lately. Kasama na ako dun sa listahan na yun. Tonight we were supposed to have Augie Alcacid here, but he's not going to be able to make it because he is also under the weather. My son Gabriel is also under the weather, but he'll be here later on, I believe. And even one of my other guests, si Maymay Entrata, habang nagre-rehearse kami, may sakit din siya. So this was of course obviously not part of the first one that we had, you know, Pure Energy. Sige, ako na bahala dyan. Thank you. So, I have never faced this kind of situation before where wala na akong ibang ginawa kundi mag-throw up lang sa likod ng mag-throw up. And so I got dehydrated and they had to rehydrate me. So, yung nasa utak ko ngayon, I'll be very vulnerable with all of you. Anyway, you guys are here now.